Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore S-corp shareholder wage reporting in Gusto. To restore S-corp shareholder wage reporting in Gusto, first, log into your Gusto account. Navigate to the People tab on the left sidebar. Select the shareholder whose wage reporting you wish to restore. Click on their profile to access their details. Scroll down to the Employment section. Locate the Payroll subsection within this section. Check to see if the shareholder is marked as an S-corp shareholder. If not, you will need to update their status. Click on Edit to make changes. In the drop-down menu, select S-corp shareholder and save the changes. Next, return to the Payroll section. Look for the Wages tab within the Payroll settings. Ensure that the shareholder is set up for regular wages. If wages are not configured, click Add Earnings to input the appropriate amount. Make certain to follow IRS guidelines for shareholder wages. Confirm that the wages are reported under the correct pay schedule. After entering the required information, review the entire profile for accuracy. Finally, process a payroll run to ensure the changes take effect. Once complete, check the reporting section to verify that the wages are now being tracked correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.